Start.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will discuss 6 Excel formula: data validation, VLookup, HLookup, macro, consolidate, goal sheet scenario. So here we have already created one stock sheet where product ID, product name, rate and quantity are user choice, and price, GST total we have to calculate. So how to calculate price? Just select quantity multiply rate multiply quantity, then we have to drag on. GST, how to calculate? Price multiply GST rate, press F4 to convert relative to absolute cell reference, drag, then sum price and GST, it will be price with GST. Now we had to drag. Now we are having another sheet that is called invoice sheet. Here invoice sheet, every data will come from our stock sheet. So how to create data validation? In ID, select all, go to data, then data validation, then choose all data, all ID from stock, press OK. Now we can see all are created by data validation. Here we have to find product name using VLookup. So how to do this? Just select all the data, right click, define name, write table, press OK. This is our table. Now we have to calculate name of the product, that means second field of stock table. Go to invoice sheet, click on equals to VLookup, ID, then table is our sample table, column number 2, press false for the exact match option. Now we have to take another value, we have to take another value, we have to take another value, again fifth value, again ID 6th value, again ID 7th value, again ID 8th value. Now just we need to drag, the product will come automatically. See, all products are coming automatically from the stock sheet using VLookup. Now I just need to take rate from the stock sheet also. So how to do this? We are creating macro to take rate. So go to view and macro, record macro for rate. Shortcut is Control G, Control H. Okay. Rate macro already have rate 22 or rate 20 H, shortcut equals to VLookup, then ID, then table, then column index, rate in which column? Rate in the third column. So we have to write 3, then false for exact match. See, rate are automatic coming, just we are dragging all the rates. Now we are just stopping the macro, control, just stopping the macro. Now I want to take the rate automatically. Now we have to press Control and H. See, the rate will automatically come using VLookup formula. So VLookup is calculated by the macro, right? Now we are creating GST using macro. Just we have to type record macro GST So GST is I. So how to calculate macro? Equals to rate into 18%. Now, and total, how to calculate? Equals to sum now we have to track. So quantity for 2 items, just we have to 2 grand total into quantity. Now press home, auto sum, all calculated. Now go to view macro, stop recording. Now everything we have to omit. Everything we have to omit. Press, click here, press Control and Control I. Everything will be calculated automatically using macro. Right? Now already we have completed data validation, VLookup, macro record and apply. Now consolidate, goal seek and scenario we will be doing in the later part. Now we are doing consolidate. So what is consolidate? Let's suppose this is our January sheet. In January sheet we are taking these fields, only these fields, and another sheets are there, February sheets. In February sheets we are taking also these fields. So in January and February we having only 3 values. Okay, ID product rate, right? ID product rate. And in February the rate are changing. So this rate is 7,000. Keyboard having 2,000. Mouse having 1,000. CPU having 18,000. Motherboard having 5,400. UPS having 2,300. SMPS 2100. RAM 2500. Hard disk 1900. SSD 5200. All value are updated, right? Now I want to create total sheet. What we have to create? Total sheet. How to calculate? Just we have to delete the cell, delete the sheet and taking another sheet using plus sign. This is our total. This is total. So now what we have to do, click on that, go to consolidate, data, consolidate, select January, all the field of January, press add, go to February, press add. Now top row, left link, create link, press OK. See, all the value will come automatically. So first product having 7,000, 5,000, total 12,000. Second 2,500, 2,500. All the value for all the seats are added together. This is called consolidate. Seat wise addition. Consolidate means seat wise addition. Now goal seat. Suppose we have topic and marks. Just we have to create the average. Average is 47. So internal should change. How to change internal? Go to what if analysis, goal sheet. Set cell will be my formula cell. To value, what we need to change, that is 47. Which value will be changing? Internal value will be changing. Now press OK. See, internal value is 48. What was the previous value? 42. So how to change? Again I am doing what if analysis, goal sheet. Set cell will be my formula cell, average. To value true value what we need, that is 47 is given. Which value we need to change? Internal marks. Press OK. Now see, if we get 48 in internal, the average will be 47. Goal sheet is the opposite formula, where output will be given and input you have to find out, right? Next scenario, we having two department, IT and finance. We have to calculate scenario. Just we want to delete previously created scenario. Now how to create the scenario? First go to, this is IT, cost 1,25,000, sale 1,45,000. So profit how to calculate? Sale minus cost. So is the profit, right? So we have to find out scenario. What is analysis? Scenario manager. Scenario manager add IT. This is IT. And what cell we need? All the cell we need. Press OK. So OK. This is IT. Again we are doing another part. This is finance. Finance. In finance, cost was 1,21,000 and sale is 1,57,000. So what is the profit? 36,000. This is another scenario. What if analysis? Scenario manager add, this is finance. So changing cell will be all the cell. Press OK. OK. Now I want to see the IT in the same location. Just select IT. Just select IT and show. See, profit 20,000. Select finance. So profit 36,000. Now I want to see the summary. This is the summary for scenario for department finance, department IT. That is the scenario manager. So all we have completed: data validation, VLookup, macro, consolidate, goal sheet, scenario manager. Now HLookup. HLookup is the row-wise representation of VLookup. See here, we want to calculate the profit per run only. So here we have to calculate using HLookup, lookup value, Sayan. So table array, all the table, row index for profit, second row, and choose exact match false. So profit is 5,000. That is created by the HLookup. Okay, so all we done. Okay, thanks for watching.